Go.
And like an answer. What time ba? 11. Mabuhay. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Cebu. The time now is 15 minutes past 11 in the morning, and today is Friday, the 26th of April 2024. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. For passengers who need special assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew gap staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Amoras and the rest of the crew, we thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Alright! Let's go for Mr. Mike. Muling na,